Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Geminis. Let's see what's happening for Geminis in their love life in the month of November. It is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. Also, you can reach out to me for personal readings on my WhatsApp. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number, my Facebook and Instagram link in the description below, so you can check that. Let's see what's happening for Geminis in the month of November. What's happening for Geminis in the month of November? The first card we have is the Judgment. Okay, this is a Libra energy. The next we have is the Tower, Scorpion energy. What more do we have happening for Geminis in the month of November? Five of Cups in reverse, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. What more do we have? Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. What more do we have, please? Okay, Page of Wands, again Aries, Leo, Sag. And the last card we have is the Nine of Wands in reverse. Okay. For Geminis, what I see here is, I think you're coming out of something that was not expected, something really sudden and unexpected that happened in the recent past. Maybe a breakup, maybe a separation or no contact situation for a very long time, and I think you are coming out of that, Geminis. Okay, your love life doesn't seem that great right now, but I can also see a lot of good things happening for you, especially in the month of November. Towards the end of the month, I'm seeing someone who was not expressing how they feel, who was very closed off, maybe not communicating to you with this Nine of Wands. You just can't connect to, you were not just being able to connect to this person on an emotional level. In the month of November, that is going to change. They are going to show how interested they are. They are going to show how interested they are into taking this relationship further. Okay, maybe major decisions are need to be taken in the month of November, either on your side or on your person's side. You're coming out of something that was very drastic, something that was really not expected by both of you. Okay, there is a lot of realizations happening on your person's side. They are coming to a realization and finally coming out of that depressed and sad and helpless state of mind with this Five of Cups in reverse. Maybe your person was not being able to think clearly. Maybe they were just not looking at the solution and were only looking towards the problem or the situations that happened in the past. But now in the month of November, they will start to be more optimistic and positive about the whole situation. Okay, they will not just think but act. Okay, because Page of Wands is in reverse, this is a card of thinking, planning, strategizing something, having eyes on you. Maybe spying. Okay, for many, in many cases this also means spying. But now when Queen of Wands is here with this Page of Wands in reverse, I think this person is now going to take action. Okay, after a long time of separation, you are going to see better things coming towards you. They will be the one who will take the initiative, take the actions. Okay, take the necessary steps. You will see clarity. After a period of uncertain changes, now you will see clarity. Okay, so yeah, this is beautiful. I think you don't need to worry about anything. Your person is just coming to realizations. Universe is intervening in your situation and asking your person to take necessary steps, pushing them towards you, pushing them towards better thinking towards this relationship. Your person can now see how important you are, how much value you add to their life. Okay, they can't take you for granted anymore. So maybe in past they were not very hopeful and positive about this situation. Maybe they thought you're not serious with them. Maybe they thought you can't get married to them in future. But now they are coming to greater realizations that yes, if they take necessary actions, if they take efforts towards this connection, they will see success, they will have victory. Okay, they will have to take that actions. They just can't keep planning and strategizing. They should come forward and take active steps towards making this relationship better. What is this judgment about? Please clarify the judgment card. Yeah, the Hierophant. I think they took their time. This is Taurus energy. They took their time. They speculated the whole situations. They contemplated over the situations, and they are coming out with a decision. And this is something positive. Don't worry. What is this Tower about? Why is this Tower in this reading? Two of Cups. I think no matter how bad the situations went, no matter how long the separation was, they still love you. This is Two of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. They have love for you. Okay, they are ready to take they are ready to face anything for this love. They can't get it anywhere. They can't find that love anywhere. Why is this Five of Cups in reverse? Yeah, Three of Cups in reverse. So this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, clarifying the Five of Cups. I think there was a third situation. For some, it might be a third party situation, as Three of Cups is coming up. They are missing you. They are wanting to retreat, come together and celebrate and have happy endings with you. They don't want to be alone anymore. They want to be with you. For some, it might be possible that in the past, third party situation was the main reason for all this mess that has been created, but that is not a part of your love life any longer. Okay, I think the third party is just a matter of past right now. What is this Queen of Wands? Six of Wands in reverse and Ace of Swords in reverse. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. As it is in reverse, I think this person is going to take action, but they are in this planning mode right now. They are planning on how to get back to you, but they want victory. They want victory with you. They want to communicate you, this direct communication. They want to communicate and tell you how they feel. But when this is coming in reverse, I think they will take some time. Maybe for some of you, this might be a week or two, further than what we thought of. So what is this Page of Wands here? Princess of Cups. They were planning from a very long time. They were just looking at you from afar. They were not saying a word, but they had developed a lot of feelings. When they were away from you, they developed a lot of feelings for you. They can't deny it. They have feelings for you. What is this Nine of Wands? Okay, Two of Wands. Two of Wands, clarifying the Nine of Wands. See, in the past, this person has a lot of options. They were keeping themselves away from you because the situation was unclear. Maybe the situation that happened was not so good and was very depressing, and the whole situation was very saddening. That's why they blocked their energies from you. They went away. They kept themselves away from you. But now they are gaining clarity and control over the situations. They're thinking something. They're planning something. Don't worry about it. Okay. So beautiful energies. Let's see what do we have from the oracle. What do we have here for Geminis? Okay, blessed, and the next is the orphan. So definitely someone here is feeling left out. Someone here is feeling as if nothing is going to change. No one is there to support you, or this might be you or your person. I don't know who this is, but definitely feeling left out and abandoned. Okay, the next we have is blessed, but don't worry, this is not going to last. If you're feeling like this in the month of November, you will feel blessed. Some things that you were not even hoping will come back to you. Okay, don't worry about anything. So you're going to be blessed. Abundance is coming your way. Your person is coming back. If you want them, the decision is all upon you. Please make wise decisions. Yeah, that was it for Geminis. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel.